Step inside Sandy's Shack, a beer and wine destination crafted for discovery, where every shelf, sign, and display is designed to turn shopping into an experience worth savoring. Built on a simple yet powerful idea, this store brings Ocala a world of wines, beers, and boutique finds in a space that feels like home. What started as a response to a need for more selection quickly grew into a destination where quality, atmosphere, and community come together. Every corner of this space is outfitted with high-quality store fixtures from DGS Retail, transforming the store into a carefully designed environment that enhances both shopping convenience and product appeal. The foundation of this layout is our wood-stained gondola shelving, designed to create a warm, inviting atmosphere that draws customers in. Double-sided gondola displays with signature rounded endcap shelves naturally guide foot traffic, while chalkboard signs add a creative touch to highlight specials and promotions. Along the perimeter, tall wall units maximize merchandising space, bringing a cohesive and well-organized look to the store. For wine enthusiasts, wooden wine bin stands create an inviting showcase for every bottle. With an elegant yet accessible design, they turn everyday selections and premium vintages into irresistible finds, inviting customers to explore with every glance. At Sandy's Shack, every detail from layout to branding works together to create a space that's as visually inviting as it is effortlessly functional. Looking to elevate your store's design? Visit dgsretail.com today and bring your vision to life.